My name is Alex from Cleaners Talk. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and assemble and unbox the Eureka Blaze Lightweight Stick Vacuum. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, now that it's out of the box, you should have a vacuum. Inside the vacuum, you should have a filter. This should be the head of the vacuum here. A nozzle holder, a handle, and instructions. Okay, first step, we're gonna go ahead and insert this nozzle holder. What you're gonna wanna do is you wanna face the handle downwards, and you wanna slide this directly here in the middle. Okay, the next step is to insert the handle onto the vacuum. The way this is done, you hold this button down and you slide this handle in until you hear a clicking sound. The next step is to insert the floor nozzle onto the vacuum itself. What you do is you're gonna insert it right here, grab this part, and you slide it in. The last step is to go ahead and turn the vacuum on. The way you do that is you plug it in. Once you plug it in, you slide this forward and it will turn the vacuum on. To break the vacuum down to use just the handheld vacuum, what you do is you go ahead and slide this out. On the handle, go ahead and press this button. Remove the nozzle from the handle. Insert nozzle. And what you do is you slide this forward and it turns the vacuum on. If you like what you're watching, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and comment if you have any questions. For more information, go ahead and look in the description down below.